Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you if it's really possible to access watch history on Instagram or not. So you have to know that Instagram does not have an official watch history feature like YouTube, so you won't find any reels you have watched section. But here's what you can do instead. First of all, open up your Instagram and then log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon right over here. Now inside here, tap on the menu icon and then tap on your activity. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply check likes, comment or saved. And if you have liked or saved a reel, you'll find it there. So unfortunately, if you have watched and scroll, it's not saved anymore. So the best move is start saving your reels you want to rewatch. Long press on the save icon or create a watch reel collection. And remember, Instagram does not track full watch history yet. Maybe in the future, but for now, that's your only workaround. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.